Hello everyone, for today, tatry naman natin kung paano gamitin si pi notation using the Canon F789 SGA. Meron tayong problem dito. What is the product of the first 10 multiples of 7? So first, pindutin natin si apps and then press natin si 1. Ito si pi notation, itong may pi. So press natin si 1. So ganito yung itsura niya. Iba siya kay summation. Kasi this pi notation is also known as product notation. So yung problem natin, first 10 multiples of 7. Kaya meron tayong function na 7, then alpha x from 1 to 10. Kasi nga first 10 multiples. Bakit 7x? Kasi nga 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, hanggang 7 times 10. I-multiply natin lahat ng yon. Then press natin si equals para makuha yung sagot. So our final answer is 1.02504618 times 10 raised to 15. Or this is 1.02504618 quadrillion. Ganon gumamit ng pi or product notation using the Canon F789 SGA.